What's up, talkers? This is Teacher Romnick from Talk Academy, and today we'll be distinguishing intransitive verbs from transitive verbs. Now, I know this may sound unfamiliar to you, but don't worry, I'll be discussing this in just a few minutes, so keep watching this video. We have two of the most common patterns in English, which are the SV and the SVO, which people would say are very easy and simple, but actually a lot of people are still confused with them and sometimes even interchange them. To start things off, let us compare these two sentences. Talk Academy offers intensive ESL, TOEIC, and IELTS programs. Talk students are relaxing in their newly renovated bedrooms. Are these two sentences different? Are they really? Well, yes, they are. Let's go back to the first sentence. Can you identify the verb in this sentence? Yes, the verb in this sentence is actually the word offers. Now, offers classifies as a transitive verb. When we say transitive verb, it is a verb that needs an object, which means that if we don't have a noun or a pronoun after our verb offers, then the meaning of the sentence will not be clear or the sentence is not really complete. Let's say we remove the phrase intensive ESL, TOEIC, and IELTS programs from our sentence. So the sentence will be, Talk Academy offers. Now you'll be thinking, offers what? Dried mangoes? Or free YouTube tutorials perhaps? We don't really know what Talk Academy offers in this situation, so that would give us the idea that our verb offers is actually a transitive verb because we need a noun or a pronoun after our verb for our sentence to be complete. As a summary, the pattern of our sentence should be subject plus transitive verb plus a noun or a pronoun, which will be the object of our sentence. We have many examples of transitive verbs, which are shown here, and let's just use some of them in sentences. Let's start with the verb buy. Let's say the sentence is, I bought a bouquet of flowers. I is your subject, bought is your verb, and a bouquet of flowers is your object, which is a noun or a pronoun. Of course, you cannot just stop with I buy because that will leave you wondering, what did you buy? So you need an object, which is a bouquet of flowers. Next, I brought my sister. So in that sentence, I is your subject, brought is your verb, which is a transitive verb, and my sister is a noun or pronoun, which is the object. Okay, I guess that's enough for our discussion on transitive verbs. Now proceeding, we have what we call intransitive verbs. By definition, when we say intransitive verbs, these are the verbs that don't need an object, which means that even if we don't have an object after our verb, our meaning or the meaning of the sentence will still be complete. Going back to our sentence earlier, the students are relaxing in their newly renovated bedrooms. Even if we remove the prepositional phrase in their newly renovated bedrooms from this sentence, the meaning of the sentence will still be complete. Thus, the sentence, the students are relaxing. The prepositional phrase in this sentence is only functioning as an additional information, and at the same time, it is functioning as an adverb because it answers the question, where? In this situation, in this sentence, our pattern is subject plus intransitive verb plus adverb. Now, if you'd like to add more adverbs in your sentence, that's also possible for as long as you know the right order of your adverbs in your sentence. Anyway, we have here a list of intransitive verbs, and let's start to use some of them in a sentence. Let's start with the verb jogging or jogs. He is jogging around the park. In this sentence, we can actually just stop with the verb jogging, right? So the sentence, he is jogging. But if you want to make your sentence longer, you can add a prepositional phrase or an adverb. In this sentence, we have around the park. He is subject, is jogging is our intransitive verb, and around the park is our adverb. Next, we have the verb sings. She sings gracefully. In this sentence, we have she as our subject, sings as our intransitive verb, and gracefully, which is our adverb of manner. Alright, I guess that's already enough information on what transitive and intransitive verbs are, and I hope you were able to learn a thing or two. Now, guys, I know it isn't really easy to remember these, but I hope you remember that as you continue practicing, it will eventually become easier. Till the next video, talkers!